If you stepped into the vacuum of space without a suit, you wouldn't die instantly, but over the next 90 seconds, your body would go through a terrifying chain reaction, step by step, until it's too late. Scientists have revealed exactly what happens to the human body when exposed to the emptiness of space. And it's nothing like the movies. No explosions, no instant freezing, just a silent, invisible killer. Oxygen loss. Air rushes from your lungs. Holding your breath could rupture them. Pressure drops instantly. Moisture in your mouth and eyes begins to boil. Oxygen in your blood plummets, and within 15 seconds you lose consciousness. Your skin swells from gas bubbles forming in your tissues, but it doesn't burst. Saliva and tears boil away, vision fades to black. You're unconscious, drifting, while your brain cells starve for oxygen. Heart rhythm destabilizes. Brain damage becomes irreversible. At around 90 seconds, asphyxiation claims your life, unless rescue comes instantly. In space, the real enemy isn't the cold or the darkness, it's the silence. Because in that silence, your body is already counting down to its last breath.